Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Chevrolet engine, 525 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1968 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals. We have the engine block painted the red with the brass freeze plugs, 4-bolt main block, correct Moroso oil pan for the 427 Chevrolet engine and the customer's 68 Camaro. We have the red ignition wires, Taylor, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. This beautiful Chevrolet valve covers with the 427 badges. The matching air cleaner with the washable filter. Polished intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, 2 extra water ports for any coolant sensors, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball end bracket, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place, the small cap distributor, real important on the 68 Camaro for firewall clearance. Customer has the standard transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Chevy and the customer's transmission. Pilot bushings in there, ARP, flywheel bolts, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump. Customer requested the braided fuel line. We put all the fittings in there, AN fittings, inline gas filter, all the way up to the chrome fuel line, all set, ready to go. 140 amp, 1-wire hookup alternator, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, GM power steering pump, all set, tension on the belts, all ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We'll set the idle mixture screws on the carburetor, the idle, ignition timing will be set. Everything drop-in ready to go. So again, this is our 427 Chevrolet 525 horsepower turnkey package engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.